Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 14th day of June 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Zomedica. You guys can see from my price chart that we did a price prediction right here on June the 4th, 2021, maybe June the 5th, of playing the weakness into the market in Zomedica, and that hasn't occurred so far. So we're going to talk about that. See if we need to change our prediction. Should we change it and reverse it to seeing the market go higher, or should we keep this prediction ongoing and still expect the market to go lower in price? I'm going to assist you all into telling you where we're expecting the market in Zomedica to go so that you can win and that we can all profit together in our community. So if you want to join us, you're more than welcome. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel, because we're not going to give you any confusing information. If we're seeing the market going to go higher, we'll tell you. If we see the market plan to go lower, we'll tell you that as well, because in either direction, we can capitalize and make the bank. So you want to join us? We're here. If not, you can get your entertainment and laughter from somewhere else on this particular platform, YouTube. So now, real quick, again, we did our last price prediction into the market in Zomedica back there on June the 4th, 2021. For the most part, this stock has just been trading sideways, which continues to let us know that we still have the probability to see this market in Zomedica go lower in price. I mean, we haven't seen any strength in the market in Zomedica since our video. And that gives me a little bit more confidence in stating that the market here is still harnessing us some weakness, right? Now, one thing I really wanted to pinpoint, if you guys can see on this chart, is that the volume has been decreasing on a day-to-day basis. So what I'm getting amped for is to expect some volatility to come into the market in Zomedica, i.e. the market is going to move to a different price level, i.e. we're looking for the market to go to the downside, but it can still go higher in price as well too, right? But from what I'm seeing over the last couple of trading days, I'm not seeing that strength is actually being displayed on the chart. So I wanted to show you all another different time frame right here into the market in Zomedica. And these last couple of 3-day price bars, the market has been unable to capitalize and break price above our ascending line. That gives us even more confirmation that Zomedica is not that strong and that the market is still weak. You can see it here on the 2-day time frame as well, that the market in Zomedica is not that strong. We're still getting some weakness. Now, what I will tell you is that there are buyers coming to the market in Zomedica right here, though. Okay, right there around 90 cents, 91 cents is where the buyers are at. They have their bags open. So every time the market dips to that price level, they come through and keep the market from dropping, right? But given the amount of time that the market in Zomedica has just been trading sideways, and we haven't seen no indications of strength coming through, it's another reason why we're playing a weakness on this stock still. So how do we look on the 5-day time frame? This is the 5-day time frame in the market for Zomedica, and I want you all to tell me, do you see any strength here on this 5-day time frame? Any? Because I don't see none. What about, because the opportunity for the market in Zomedica to go higher was right there on that 5-day price bar that started on May the 27th, 2021. That was the time for us to see that continuation of movement higher. Now we got 3 days and 5 hours left into the market in Zomedica here, which we need to see the market close above the previous 5-day price bar, because if it does, then we will see the probability of higher price movement. But we don't see that yet on the 5-day time frame. We don't see it on the 3-day. We don't see it on the 2-day. This is the weekly time frame right here. Even last week, the market in Zomedica tried to go higher in price. And I will give the trap that. I will give him credit because he wanted to bring the price higher. But as you can see, he even failed at doing that. Again, confirmation that the market in Zomedica is not giving us that much strength. So all in all, do you see any strength on these price charts, on these different time frames? Do you see any indication that the market is strong? I mean, pay attention to that ascending line. That is the biggest crutch that I would gauge that the market in Zomedica is giving us some strength. And right now it's not. Because on this weekly time frame, you guys can see right here that Zomedica broke that ascending line, right? May the 3rd, 2021 was when Zomedica broke the trend. And ever since that time, we've been trading below it. That continues to show us that the market is still weak. Now, Support into the market in Zomedica is still around, 70 cents, 75 cents. So even though we're expecting the market to go lower in Zomedica, I want you all to relax. I'm not telling you that the market's going to fall back down to 50 or even 45 cents. No, but the market is still weak, and we can still expect the market to go low in price and get in position and dominate this space, right? We can still do that. So that is what we're going to do. Let me see this on an hourly time frame. So now we'll look at the market in Zomedica on an hourly time frame. This is 15-hour price bars. So every price bar you see is literally 15 hours worth of trading, right? And we haven't seen the ability in Zomedica to go higher in price on any of those 15-hour price bars that are within our price prediction. Do we see it on the 11-hour time frame? I don't see any strength here neither. What about 9-hour? No changes there. 5-hour time frame? None here neither, right? So my eyes are still fixated on that support area that I mentioned earlier, right there around 90 cents. We break 90 cents to the downside, we come all the way back down to 85. So all in all, the market here is still weak. Okay. You guys can even see it on the minute time frames that the market here is not giving us that much strength at all, right? So we're going to continue to watch the market. But so far, our prediction that we've done on June the 4th remains the same. Okay. We're still going to play the weakness here into the market in Zomedica. Now, I'm not sure what we said our TP price would be at. We had to go back and listen to our last video for Zomedica, but it maybe has been around 85 cents. I'm not sure. If you all have seen our last video, just drop the comment in the comment section and tell everyone where we said our first area of TP was going to be at. May have been 85 cents, but I'm not sure. But again, I like 85 cents to be tagged as an area of TP though. Okay. So now I want to know your thoughts. Tell me, where do y'all think the market in Zomedica is going to go? We're not going to change our price prediction, but what I will do is I will extend it out a little bit further so we can continue to see this market play out in the month of June. All right, so now it's your turn. Tell me, where do y'all think the price of Zomedica is going to go now? Okay, we haven't changed ours. You may see something totally different, which is great, which is fine. We're open to those criticisms if we haven't seen something that you may have seen. Now, don't give us nothing confusing, because we're not giving you no confusing jargon or even using technical indicators. Just simply tell us, hey, did you see this? Those type of things. So let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.